Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both. Impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear performance tires, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.